You go to, where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it, that thing you do? Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool.
Good evening. Hello everyone. Hello queens. Hello. Welcome to my updated skincare routine. I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm choosing to do this now. Why I am choosing to do this now is because one of you commented saying that you want an up-to-date skincare routine because you said my skin always looks nice. Stop it, seriously. But yes, look at my nails. These are just little press ones from Superjob. How cute. Anyway, I digress. Today I'm going to be doing my up-to-date skincare routine. So it's nighttime now. I'm going to be taking my makeup off, doing my nightly skincare routine, and then I'll show you what I do in the mornings. This is kind of like the whole TikTok trend of being high maintenance to be low maintenance. That's the plan. So, first thing I do. Normally, I don't do this much skincare. I'm just doing this for the benefit of you, and it's also kind of fun. Normally I just use my micellar water to set my makeup off, but I've got this like makeup remover cream that I got from TikTok shop that I'm going to use instead. Although, the thought of using this makes me feel a bit icky. It's got like a weird taste, and you're going to think, Ella, why are you eating your makeup remover? I'm not, but I don't know how. Without fail, every single time I use this, I can taste it. What the F is with that? Now, I can actually clean my face, and I just use cutesy little Cetaphil. Normally I try and brush my teeth before I wash my face. I don't know why. I do know why, because I feel like when I brush my teeth, it just wipes off like all the skincare that I've done around my mouth. I try and wash my face for 60 seconds as well. I read somewhere, it's probably bollocks, but I read somewhere that your face wash doesn't start working until you've been doing it for 60 seconds, which now that I've said that out loud sounds like a complete load of rubbish. Okay, now my skin is squeaky clean. Next thing I do is just a toner. So I just use the simple, none of my skincare is like fancy at all. It's all pretty much all drugstore. I feel like that works better for my skin. I've got quite sensitive skin. Amazing, I've got sensitive skin and then continuously like rubbing at my face like this. But it's all drugstore, all super affordable. I have used like more high-end stuff in the past. I used to be La Roche-Posay girly, like till the end of the earth. But I don't feel like it did anything exceptional for me. Then my friend Sky put me onto this when we were traveling. I used, bless her, I used all of her Nivea Soft. But it is so good. It's cheap, it's simple, it smells nice, it's super, like, oh, it's just gorgeous. Sky, I know that you're a Nivea Soft girl through and through. And I can only thank God and Jesus that you've put me onto this as well, because it is just beautiful. So I just do this. I just make sure that I do it on my eyes, under my eyes, around on my neck. As I say, do not neglect the neck. So it's gonna be like an ASMR skincare video. My brother and my dad are watching me film downstairs, so try not to like talk loud. We could leave it there, but we're not going to. So something that I should have mentioned is during the evenings I will alternate between doing derma rolling, which I'm about to do in a minute, or I will use retinol. This is literally from Tesco. Don't do them together. But I did retinol last night, so I'm going to do derma rolling tonight. But ordinarily I would do this before my moisturiser. I just forgot to show you. I'm sorry. Also I've got loads of, because I'm going out on Friday. Today's Wednesday, I'm going out on Friday. And I've got loads of like face masks that I bought that I want to do tomorrow. So I'm almost prepping my skin to do more skincare tomorrow. If that makes sense. But let's get into derma rolling. This is my derma roller. This is the Kitsch one. I got this from a charity shop. Brand new, obviously, we found. But I don't know if you can see it. It's tiny, 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 tiny little spikes that you know, like the vampire facial that Kim Kardashian gets. It's kind of similar to that. Anyway, what it basically does is creates these like really small pinpricks in your skin, and where your skin then notices that there's, it sounds bad, basically you're injuring your skin for your skin to then rebuild, and because it's tiny spots really close together, your skin is almost gonna like shrink to cover them. So it's supposed to make your skin tighter, but you're supposed to put like a really good moisturizer on before you do it. So I use this Egyptian Magic that I've spoken about before, and I blotted all of the stuff. I got it like on the, I got it on a plane, like in duty free, which I've like never done before. That was like one of those things that I know you're allowed to do, but I've just never done it. Anyway, and this is kind of like a, so I used to do slugging with Vaseline. Vaseline was kind of rancid, and it like kind of goes all over your pillow and gets in your hair and everything. Whereas this, I feel, stays on my face more because I feel like it sinks in, but still keeps, I mean, look at the shine. I literally look like a glazed donut. So I just make sure that I've got that everywhere. Next I'm going to use Derma Roller. So every time you use this, make sure you clean it really well, because otherwise that's going to be foul. And it doesn't hurt at all, but you basically just like softly, kind of like medium pressure, just roll it around on your skin. Try not to do like under your eyes. Like don't do it on like broken skin if you've got like that spot there. Sorry guys, my camera died, but I've just Derma rolled. As I say, you just do it like, it says to do it like horizontally, vertically, and then like diagonally in each area of your face. And it will be a little bit red. Obviously, you just put loads of needles all over your face. It sounds really scary, it's not. But this is the skincare that I'm going to bed with. I've also got like hair oil and a hair mask in my hair because I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. Final bits I do, not sponsored, wish it was, but I just used the UK Lash eyelash serum. And I'll see you in the morning for some more in-depth skincare. Night. Welcome back, Queen. It is the next day. I've just had my everything shower, shaved my legs, washed my hair, did a little purple shampoo. She's running out, and I'm gonna fake tan tonight. So we're doing the whole bifter. I washed my face, as you saw yesterday. So we're just gonna get straight into it. Just as a wee treat for myself. Just got these from Superdrug. So I've got caffeine under eye. Because I'm not being funny, my eye bags recently, they don't look that bad on camera, but in real life, like I've been awake for 50 years. And then a Cica sheet mask. Smooths and hydrates skin. Lush. I'm just gonna do these at the same time. Do you feel? These have been in the fridge as well. A bit of a life hack for you. So that's on. Then I'm just gonna do this one over the top. Because I'm not being funny, I don't see anyone in here that's telling me I can't. Do you know what I mean? Well excited to go out tomorrow, girls. Not been out, not hit the town in quite a while. Heading into Brighton for Kate's birthday. It's so beyond needed. This face mask feels really thick. Why does it feel like this? This face mask sucks. Good. Did you just make that up?
No.
No.
It's another label. A good label.
That's cool. Are you looking to be like a DJ or something?
No. I just think they're cool logos.
I think you're a cool logo. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes. I'll be back. Right, my 15 minutes is up. Take this off, take these off. Goodbye. Thank you, goodbye. It's on my face mask, so all of my skin, shimmering, glistening, gorgeous, beautiful, love it. It's done. Next, as I mentioned last night, I rotate. So sometimes I do retinol, sometimes I do derma rolling. And I did the derma roll last night, so we're doing the retinol tonight. You guys are quick to catch on. So it says, apply a few drops. I don't know what a few is, so I typically just do forehead, cheek, cheek, chin. This stuff smells nice as well, which kind of concerns me. Oh, my skin feels beautiful. Diet does skills. I feel like if I hit it in, it soaks in more. Annoyingly, I have just realised I was going to dye my eyebrows, but nah, sod it, let's do it. Girls, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. So, I used to get my eyebrows waxed and tinted, but as I've mentioned previously, I am now unemployed and I'm on a budget. So, I just get one of these root touch-ups. Comes with 2 wee little things. And basically, what I do is I've done my eyebrows myself. Because I can do what? Anything. Thank you. So it's just equal parts of both of these. You guys know how to dye hair. And then I just use the same brush that I use for my eyebrows normally. You have to say hello though.
Hello there.
As I say, I just use my eyebrow brush. You can use like Vaseline or like a really thick cream to like outline your eyebrows so that you don't cock it up and get it everywhere, but if I'm being so honest with you girls, I can't be bothered. Please excuse the noise in the background. Max is galumphing around the bathroom.
Shut up.
And then what you can do before it sort of starts to develop is just clean up on eyebrows. Do my eyebrows look even?
Yeah.
And that's it girls, and then I'm just gonna leave that on just up for a bit. Eyebrows are done. I can't decide whether they look good or not. My dad said they look completely different. Whatever. Anyway, end of my skincare routine, just a bit of moisturizer. And then I think what I'm gonna do tonight, because I know I'm gonna have makeup on tomorrow, is I'm gonna use my very well loved Weleda. I effing love this stuff. If I could have a bath in it, I would. Hello. No, enter by all means. Now my skin is all prepped, ready to close the effing door. Ready and gorgeous for tomorrow, for the frivolities of tomorrow. Let me give you a close up on the glow. Beautiful. So girls, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry my hair, clip it out of the way, do my fake tan, and then put my heatless rollers in. Mainly because, I don't know about you girls, but when I'm drying my hair, I break up a sweat. And I don't want to put my fake tan on and then sweat. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna dry my hair first. Again girls, just done my fake tan and I. Dark clothes, obviously. You know the drill. Blow dry my hair. Cute. Just having a wee glass of Pinot. I'm gonna put my heatless rollers in before I go to bed. And I will see you tomorrow morning when we all wake up looking gorgeous with zero effort. Ta-ra, my love, sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs by. Good morning. Good morning. So, obviously, the fake tan has been washed off. I've had a shower. Another little secret tip. Excuse me. Another secret tip. I don't know if you can really see, but the Glow Household coconut oil. You can get body oils as well. The final step of this being high maintenance to be low maintenance is just taking the hair out. Chances are I'm probably going to put these back in later before I go out. But for the purposes of this video, just so you guys can see. Also, these are really comfy to sleep in. I find these really comfy to sleep in. I've used the like, you know, the one that goes like over your head like that, the long one, and it wasn't comfy. Let me tell you. I've lost a nail as well. I'll glue that back on. But these are comfy. So I got these from TikTok shop. I will link my TikTok down below. They are in my TikTok. They're in my TikTok shop. I'm just gonna zhuzh it up a bit. I would definitely recommend like blow dry your hair so it's like smooth before you put the rollers in, because that is how I've found the best results. But there it is. There's the hair, the skin is looking cutesy, the eyebrows are looking cutesy, we're tanned, we're oiled up, we're ready for whatever the day throws at us. So this has been my high maintenance to be low maintenance video. If anyone has any other tips that they do, or if anyone has anything else that they want to see from me, do leave a comment down below, because I just live to serve you guys. Bye!
Where do you go? Where do you go?